The next type of poem that we're going to talk about is called a couplet. A couplet is 2 lines of poetry that rhyme and usually have the same meter. So this one says, on a branch an owl was perching, for his dinner he was searching. So notice that our rhyme scheme is AA because perching and searching rhyme, and there are only 2 lines here. On this slide, you are going to create your own couplet. So let's try one together. I was going click clock. How many hours have I been on TikTok? So here my couplet is, time was going click clock. How many hours had I been on TikTok? You're going to create your couplet by writing 2 lines that rhyme.